Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Our case today, full term, 37 weeks, normal spontaneous vaginal delivery during physical examination in the clinic found to have hiccup. So, what are the causes of hiccups? There is 3 benign causes. Baby overfeeding. Second, eating too quickly, swallowing a lot of air. This is leading to stomach distension, pushes against the diaphragm, leading to diaphragmatic contraction or spasm of the diaphragm, leading to patient gasp, contraction of vocal cord, make this sound. So there is another pathological causes in old child like gastroesophageal reflux, thyroid goiter or laryngitis. How to treat this condition? Just to only give the baby break from the feeding to burping the baby, and give small feeds and use pacifier. Hold the baby upright after each feed and change the baby position. So the cause of hiccup or the main cause of hiccup, diaphragmatic contraction due to swallowing of a lot of air. Just to treat the baby, give break from the feeding to burp the baby, small feeding, use pacifier, hold the baby upright position after each feed and change the position. ومن أحيا فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. شكرا. سلام عليكم.